We are here on the skirts of the mountains facing Uzungöl. The weather is a little bit foggy and there's a little bit drizzling. It's really a fantastic weather. It's a little bit cold, and you can now see Uzungöl over the mountains. Here over the mountains we have one of the best places where you can have a fantastic breakfast, and here we can see the owner of the Somine Cafe, Mr. Kemal. How are you, Mr. Kemal?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Great, thank you very much. Are you happy here? Yes?
Yes.
You have a lot of people from Arabic countries here?
Yes.
Yes. So you serve breakfast?
Yes.
Traditional
Very
Uzungöl dishes in the morning. People can come in the evening and enjoy here. They can also have hookah and pooker, you know, the nargile. Nargile.
Yes, yes.
All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, now let me show you the place. It's an amazing place. You can have a romantic evening and romantic morning breakfast from here. You see